Hello, yellow truck, 255 Front Street and Lower Simcoe. I am yellow hello truck, French fries truck. We serving potato fries, jumbo duck, chunky potato fries and sausage, burger, fresh cut fries from the scratch. Take a look. It's on the way to go to CN Tower. It's, with the Canadian flag. You have to check it out, guys. It's really good. I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you. Wow, let's take a look at the bag. Take a look. It puts in nice fries with curd cheese and gravy. I'm going to show you something else. Wow, I'm going to show you hot peppers, guys. Nice gravy. Take a look in here. Hot gravy. Sausage hot dog with steam and then an open fire. Grill it. Some burger. Cheeseburger. Fresh cut fries, guys.
You want to hook up? No. All right, thank you very much. No problem.
Try it out, guys. Yellow hello truck, 255 Front Street. Hello, see you later. We have fries, hot dogs, sausages, everything. It's good. Try it out. Bye bye.